Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2025 Lexus GX Overtrail Plus. Full front, so it's our hood, our fenders, bumper, headlights, driving lights, and all the little pieces like the caps, mirrors. And we did the door edge guards and the door cups on this with window film on the windshield. So let's take a look at what we do and how we do it. So on this hood's all done in one piece with the Xpel Ultimate Plus, and everything gets wrapped in just like we do there. Everything's nicely wrapped, no edges exposed. Getting into the fender to joining it, everything's nicely wrapped, so you don't even know the film's on the car. And that's the whole goal. We want to keep the appearance of what you bought as a new car rather than having an aftermarket product on it with a line like some do. They'll print a pattern and they leave an edge. We would custom wrap everything around all the way through. Our mirrors have seams, but we keep them on the areas where you wouldn't notice them. Here we wrap this fender all the way into the door area. It's all the way underneath this plastic shroud or the fender flare. And then coming into our bumper, we obviously, on this one, we like to wrap inside this hole, but there's not enough paint nor any clear coat. So there is an edge here. Everything else is all fully wrapped in. All these little vents are fully wrapped, each piece, and it's all one piece bumper. There's no separate sections. Coming up on the hood, everything looks great, no issues. And then our windshield is done on a 70%. It's hard to tell, but it looks fantastic. And that's all we did on this. So there's a full front with some window tint on the windshield with a 2025 Lexus GX at Clearbrow, North Dallas and Argyle. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com, 214-414-3809. And ClearbrowNorthDallas@gmail is our email address. I'm Brent. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you can follow us and see what else we got coming up. Any questions, go ahead and ask away or give us a call. Take care.